So a lot of times you want to define feature access for customers that don't exist in Stripe, like in the case when you have a freemium plan. So in PriceOS, you can do that. It's super easy. I'm going to show you exactly how right now. So first thing in your dashboard, go to the Products tab and then click on New Product. And then in this case, we are going to do a custom product and we're going to give it a name. In this case, I'm just going to call it Freemium. And then, so we could stop right here if we wanted to. But in the case of freemium, usually what that means is that you want all of your customers who are not assigned a plan to, to just default to this free usage plan. So if that's the case, it's actually going to be a lot easier if we make this into a default plan, because that's exactly what this does. What this means is that um, any customer who's not either assigned a plan in Stripe, or if I or any customer who's not assigned another custom product through the application via our API, it's going to fall into this bucket. So what this does is, if you don't have this enabled, that means anytime a customer is created, you're going to have to manually assign the product using our API. But in the case of freemium, a lot of times that just means, hey, everyone else who doesn't have a product, let's do that. So we'll leave this checked and then we will click the create button. And that is actually it. All I need to do is now define feature access for this freemium plan. So let's just say for credits, um, let's say we do 50 credits for freemium users. Maybe tokens will be something low. We'll do 50 again. And let's say they don't have access to audit logs. They can't do SSO, no priority support. Let's say they can't call the API, no custom roles, can't add team members, can't do workspaces, and they can't export data. And so that's it. Let's just say a freemium plan is you get 50 credits, you get 50 AI tokens. I click Save Changes, and in this case, since it's a default product and I don't have to manually assign this product to customers with the API, it's actually going to take effect immediately. So anyone in our application, if it's live right now, who is not on a plan, either through Stripe or again our manual assignment, they're going to immediately fall into this bucket and they will have the access that we just defined. So the other thing to note about freemium default plans is there is no product version. So let's say you come back in 3 months and you're like, hey, I really want to change the limits on this freemium plan. You can do that. It's easy. You just come in here, select a different limit, 5,000, and then you save it. But in this case, since it's a default plan, you cannot create another product version. So what that means is that all customers who fall into this bucket are going to get that change immediately. If for some reason you think that you will need to do another product version, let's say, hey, I want to change this limit, but any customer who signed up before this change, I still want them to have the old limit. Then in that case, you're going to need to create a new product version. Um, which you can't do with default products. So that's just a heads up. If you think that you might want to have multiple product versions, don't use the default. Just you can still create a custom product, and you'll just need to assign your customers manually to do that. So hope this makes sense. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions on this at all, please reach out to me. My email is andrew@priceos.com. Thanks.